So today we are preparing and we are performing the preparations and standardization of the herbal hand wash. And for that thing, we are using mainly two types of things. Number one are our natural things, and number two are our chemicals. Now, in the natural or herbal, we can see there are mainly three kinds of things. Number one is, we all know that this is neem, and the biological source of neem is Antibacterial indica. The part here used is the leaves, the dried or fresh leaves we can use, and it belongs to the Malleaceae family. And then here is our lemon, we all know, and the biological source of lemon is Emlica officinalis, belonging to the family Euphorbiaceae, and another one thing, the aloe. The aloe vera means we know that the biological source of this is Aloe barbadensis, belonging to the family Liliaceae. Now we are going to our all chemicals, all our chemical entities or chemical everything. So here at first we are coming to our main two things. Number one, SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, and number two is our carbopol. Now these two are the main things because our SLS is the foaming agent or the surfactant. We are using it for having the foam in our hand wash, and the carbopol, that is the mainly gelling agent. Means we know that in our hand wash some gel kinds of preparations that is. So to create that kind of jelly preparation, we are using carbopol. Then we are using methyl paraben as our preservative. We know that preservatives are always important in every kind of formulation, that may be herbal, may be chemical, anything. And then we are using this glycerin, most important, and at last the peppermint oil we are using to give some essence or to give some kind of flavor to our formula.
Of glycerin. So now we are going to measure this into this measuring cylinder.
This one is methanolic extract of neem. This one is lemon juice, which are taken from the lemon, and this one is aloe vera juice.
Hand wash. Firstly, we will be needing 20 ml of neem extract, which is methanolic neem extract. Now after this we will be needing the lemon juice. So we can take about 5 ml to 10 ml of lemon juice. Then we will mix up the SLS, which is a great surfactant which will provide the foam in the hand wash. Which has great moisturizing properties. We will be mixing this all together, and then we will add carbopol, which has gelling properties. It will help the hand wash to take a great gel-like texture. Which has moisturizing properties. So now we will add methyl paraben, which is used as preservative. So previously added neem extract has some antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory property, and then the lemon extract, which has cleansing properties. So we had previously added all these things. Now we will make up the volume by adding distilled water to it.
50 ml এর গাড়ি
Now it has 50 ml of herbal hand wash.
Because regularly we use what is it? No, actually, yeah, the other marketed what is it?
Chemical hand wash.
Yeah, hand wash we are using. Okay, yeah, similarly, I feel okay, this I think is comparable with that. The peppermint what you ordered, it shows lemongrass. It is giving that flavor is very good. Yeah, that's I think good. The only thing is that so we have to think about hand wash, no? Like whether any antiseptics, something.
Yes, for that Neem we have added.
Okay, Neem. Neem
has
antibacterial. Okay, antibacterial. Yes. I
We
think.
can add tulsi also, and lemongrass also has antibacterial properties.
Okay. I think to solve the purpose, maybe. I can say maybe I can say foaming is a bit less. I think because regularly using other marketed product, I feel
Because sir, in herbal, it's foam become less. Marketed product, we know foam will be more.
Okay.
But for herbal, foam will be less.
okay. But only that thing. But other thing I think is fine. I think it's solve the purpose. So good effort, right? So I think by the students, I think we have right. It's like a live practicals, right? What we are using regularly in every household, in past, particularly after the COVID, right? Every year this hand wash become very normal.
Yes, sir.
So I think it's a live example, live practicals we are doing. I hope you enjoy it, right?
Yes, yeah.
From my side, it's okay, it's fine, good. Okay, that's also I asked madam also. Throughout this CAPT, we can use our own product, right? Rather than purchasing our marketed product, right? So if it is good, then we can give it to our sister concerns also, right? If it is Middle East, okay, we'll see. Thank you. I think you have done a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank